Hi everybody, welcome to another video. Today we are unboxing the Lenovo IdeaPad 3. Model is 14ADA05. So this is a 14-inch screen laptop. So keep in mind there are a lot of variations of this type of laptop. So it's going to be my third Lenovo laptop. My other Lenovo laptops have been pretty good so far. So let's take a look at this one. So this is probably my smallest screen Lenovo. So it looks like we have our charger here, which looks the same as my other Lenovo laptops, which is pretty good. So it looks like it is in Windows 10 S mode. You got your setup guide. We'll put all that stuff to the side. Right now, let's get to the unboxing. So let's take a look at the laptop. Looks like it's definitely all plastic from what I can tell. Paint job, so it's supposed to be abyss blue. And the finish is definitely like the other Lenovo laptops that I have, but the difference is this one is in abyss blue. The others are silver. So one-handed test looks like it is not opening, same as our other Lenovo laptops as well. This is actually our first Lenovo laptop with a AMD Ryzen on it. So this has an AMD Ryzen 3 and the AMD Radeon graphics as well. So that is going to be interesting. Looks like there's just some kind of QR code for e-support as well. That's new to me. So let us take a look at the ports. So let me give you guys a better look. So this is what it looks like. So we should probably start off on the left side. So on the left side of the laptop, the ports we have are the charging port, HDMI out, USB 2.0, and two USB 3.0s. So you're not going to have any USB ports on the right side, only on the left. So it might be tricky sometimes. So on the right side, we have our headphone jack, a Novo button pinhole, and an SD card reader. So the Novo button is kind of like a reset button. You guys can look it up too. I've never had to use mine, but it's a good option to have. So this is what it looks like with the charging port. And then, oh, by the way, no backlit keyboard on this laptop at all. I know somebody will probably ask, but I don't think I've ever had a Lenovo laptop with a backlit keyboard yet. So maybe in the future, we'll try to get one of those. So for the boot up time, let's take a look. Oh, by the way, this comes with a 5400 RPM 1TB hard drive. So it is old school. Even during setup, it was kind of a slow, So boot up time, I'd say it's about 19 seconds. 19 seconds, pretty good. Especially for a 5400 RPM hard drive. So it's a mechanical hard drive, I believe. So for the camera, I wanted to make sure that we do have 720p. So let me remove the sticker right here. What's cool about this laptop, it has that privacy shutter for the laptop. It's actually my first laptop with a camera shutter. So it is 0.9 megapixels or 720p. So as you can see in the camera app, so yeah, 720p, 30 FPS, as you guys can see. So definitely a lot better than my other Lenovo laptops. So yeah, definitely got to make sure that you have the camera test here. All right, so let us move on. Oh yeah, pre-installed software. So it does come with Office. Like I think you have a 30-day trial. You have this software here, Meerkat. It's something about like identity theft protection or something. So I don't plan on using any of this stuff, but I wanted to show everybody the pre-installed software on this laptop. It comes with Alexa also on the taskbar, so I was surprised to see that, and Lenovo Vantage. So the Lenovo Vantage is a useful tool. It can show you like some battery info, drivers, stuff like that. I've never had to use it, but you can also run diagnostics and stuff or request support. So you have your mail, of course, you have your file explorer and Microsoft Edge, the browser. So I did not remove it from Windows S mode yet.
Pick the one you want from the list. Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that? Now let's see what's new from Windows.
All right, now for the weight. So it is smaller and lighter than most of my laptops. It is 1.544 kilograms. I'm just gonna say about 1.55 kilograms. So not bad at all. The weight will probably change once we upgrade the hard drive to an SSD. So it looks like it is about 33 centimeters long and 24 centimeters wide. And for our thickness, it's about 1.94 centimeters. Maybe I'm just gonna say 2 centimeters. So oh yeah, here's the label. It is a battery is a 2-cell. Oh, the display is a TN display, full HD. Battery info, it is a 7.6 volts at 35 watt hours. Just in case somebody wanted the specifics. So far, so good. Let me show you guys some screenshots of these specs from our task manager. So CPU, it does come with an AMD Ryzen 3 3250U, so that is new to me. Base speed of 2.6 gigahertz. You got 2 cores and 4 logical processors. So the disk is a 1 terabyte 5400 RPM hard drive, capacity at 932 gigabytes. So GPU is AMD Radeon graphics. So it does come with 2 gigabytes of dedicated GPU memory and 2.9 gigabytes of shared GPU memory. Once we upgrade the RAM, we're going to add more to that. Memory is 8 gigabytes. Available is only 3.2 gigabytes. So it looks like it is a speed of 2400 megahertz. So we're going to upgrade that as well in the future. I wanted to show you guys a screenshot of the USB from Device Manager. We also have our network adapter. So I know somebody's going to ask like the specific model of the Bluetooth. So or the wireless network adapter as well. And oh yeah, here's the Bluetooth. So it's a QCA61X4 Bluetooth Qualcomm. And I know somebody will probably wonder what the camera is. So it is a Sonix. Got that from Device Manager as well. So I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching. Take it easy.